Hello. Ever wondered over the distinction between declarative and imperative scripting? Well, you are about to embark on a journey of understanding that separates the two. First, imagine a world where you only describe your destination and the path is automatically laid out for you. That's the essence of declarative scripting. It's all about starting the desired outcome without worrying about the journey. Declarative scripting focuses on what rather than the how. Take, for instance, SQL, a declarative language. When you query a database, you specify what you need, not how to retrieve it. You don't have to worry about the underlying mechanism. It's like ordering a coffee, you state your order and you get your coffee. You don't instruct the barista on how to brew it. On the other hand, think of a world where you are the master of your path. Every step, every turn, every decision is yours. That's the word of imperative scripting. It's all about the journey, the step by step instructions to achieve your goal. It's the how the matters here. Consider Python an imperative language. You dictate every action, every loop, every condition. It's like cooking a meal. You decide the ingredients, the sequence, the heat, everything. So basically, declarative scripting shines in situations where the how is complex or irrelevant. It simplifies the process, making code shorter, more readable, and maintainable. However, it can be limiting when you need fine grained control or when the how is unique and not encapsulated by the languages. Imperative scripting, conversely, is powerful and flexible. It allows you to tailor your code to your exact needs. However, this flexibility comes at a cost. The code can be longer, more complex, and harder to maintain. All in one, declarative scripting is like being a passenger on a journey, enjoying the ride without worrying about the route. Imperative scripting is like being the driver, controlling every aspect of the journey. When choosing between the two, consider your needs. If you require simplicity and readability, declarative scripting may be your best choice. But if you need power and control, then imperative scripting is the way to go. Understanding these two scripting styles will not only broaden your programming knowledge but also enable you to choose the most effective approach for your project. After all, being a skilled programmer is not just about knowing the language, it's about knowing when and how to use them. I hope you have got the answer. Thank you.